Hello, my friends. This is the Time Trade channel. I propose now to talk about innovations in trading. My subscribers have already appreciated the advantages of the new artificial intelligence for informed trading. In this video, I will introduce you to this tool in practice that automatically analyzes the market. If you correctly interpret the signals from artificial intelligence, you can make good results. By the way, you can test this trading tool without registration for free. To do this, follow the link in the description to the trading bot interface. Click the menu and select the Start command. After that, in the new window, click the Test Signals button. You will have a unique opportunity to try this neural network and then take it for free and forever under the terms of the promotion. Details in this video. I will also add that very soon on my channel, I will post a free link to training material that will give you a complete understanding of the market, and you will be able to independently make the right trading decisions. Well, like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss important updates and get free training. Let's get started. Now you see the interface of the trading bot in Telegram. First, you need to select a currency pair from the list for your first trade. Let's take the Australian dollar and Swiss franc OTC. After that, I go to the Pocket Option Broker and find this currency pair in the search bar in advance. I will set the expiration time to 5 minutes. The investment amount will be $1,900. Now I return to the bot interface and click the expiration time button for 5 minutes. As you can see, the neural network analyzes the market. After the analysis, the trading bot gave a signal to decrease the price on the 5-minute time frame. Well, now I will go to the Pocket Option Broker and look at the situation on market. Okay, I click the red button to sell in accordance with the signal from artificial intelligence. Guys, let me remind you once again that this trading bot is free according to the terms of the promotion. The promotion is valid for 30 days. Follow the link in the description and use the instructions of this tool. Take the bot on permanent terms. The trading tool will remain with you forever with full functionality and an unlimited number of signals for your trading. If you have any questions, be sure to write to the manager who will help you register and verify with the Pocket Option Broker. I'll leave the link in the description. This neural network gives signals in a very convenient form, analyzing in real time the data of 12 indicators and takes into account the news background, which greatly affects the price movement. If you interpret the signals correctly and apply your trading logic, you could get excellent results. Many of my subscribers use this trading tool very successfully. However, I want to warn you right away that everyone's results are different and depend on many factors. On my channel, I do not give recommendations and do not conduct financial consultations. I just show how I trade using my logic and signals from artificial intelligence. Let me remind you once again that very soon there will be a cool free training material from a team of professional traders. If you're a beginner and want to learn to understand the laws of the market, then this training course is especially for you. To get for free, just join our team. We have Telegram at the link in the description. Join us, and very soon you will start trading competently on the market yourself. Guys, I want to say that even when trading with artificial intelligence, do not forget to develop and apply your trading logic. Try to use technical analysis in every trade. For example, now I see that the price bounced up from the support area and reached the resistance area. After that, the sellers seize the initiative and the bear's potential is growing. I think that the price will continue to move down from the resistance area in accordance with the neural network analysis. By the way, I often conduct trading sessions with new subscribers. Using real examples, I show why the price moves exactly this way and where the key areas of support and resistance are. In other words, I teach how to see the market using competent technical analysis. So if you lack experience, don't be shy. Write to me in private messages using the link in the description, and we will start trading together so that your level is also at its best. Let me remind you that you can get artificial intelligence for trading for free under the terms of the promotion by following the link in the description. If you combine your technical analysis and signals from the trading bot, you could get impressive results. By the way, with the help of this bot, you can earn money on weekends because the tool can analyze the over-the-counter market. It is very convenient. because you can receive entry signals 24/7. Confident trading begins where chaos and excitement end. When a trader approaches the market with a cold mind and a clearly defined strategy, emotions such as fear, greed, and uncertainty gradually lose their influence. Trading becomes a system, not a gamble. It's not about chasing profits with trembling hands or reacting to every market movement, but about making calm, thought-out decisions that are backed by a plan. A clear trading plan is the basis of this calmness. It outlines when to enter, when to exit, how much to risk, and under what conditions to act or stay out. When the rules are written and followed, the trader stops improvising. There is no longer any room for panic decisions or gut feelings that often lead to losses. But even the best plan won't bring results if money is handled emotionally. That's where money management comes in. A system that protects your capital and ensures that no single trade can ruin your balance. It allows you to survive losing streaks and stay in the game long enough to reach the profits your system is capable of. Without competent management of trade sizes, even the most accurate strategy will eventually lead to emotional breakdowns and complete collapse. Another powerful component of confident trading is self-organization. Discipline, a fixed daily routine, and the ability to work systematically without jumping from one method to another turn a trader into a professional. Guys, please note that the first trade was successful. Artificial intelligence gave the right entry direction, and my technical analysis did not let me down. Let's open a second trade and increase the investment amount to $2,000. I'll take another currency pair. Let's take the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar OTC. Now we return to the trading bot interface. Click just 2 buttons and wait for the analysis. As you can see, artificial intelligence predicts that the price will go down. Well, let's go to the broker, look at the market situation, and make our trading decision. I press the red button to sell. Guys, subscribe to our Telegram via the link in the description because very soon free training courses will be published here that will help novice traders understand the laws of the market and make informed decisions for successful trading. The market doesn't forgive inconsistency. Only a structured approach makes it possible to maintain balance during drawdowns and not get carried away by euphoria after a few successful trades. And yet, even with all this structure, human emotions can still interfere. That's why I combine my own trading logic with a neural network. This tandem is a game changer. A neural network doesn't doubt or worry. It doesn't guess. It analyzes huge amounts of data, spots hidden patterns, and generates entry signals based on pure statistics. It cuts through the noise and delivers clarity. When you have such a powerful assistant by your side, the level of emotional stress drops dramatically. In the meantime, I want to draw your attention to successful trading. If you correctly use signals from artificial intelligence, follow the rules of money management, and do not give in to excitement, then you can make good results. This tool can be taken from the link in the description for free. You watch Time Trade. Subscribe and stay in touch.